Hi guys, now we are going to see one program. This is the question. Implement the following operation in a doubly linked list and then instruction operation at the front of the list, at the end of the list, and at any position in the list. Deletion of an element from the list. Displaying all elements in a list. Expected input. Check the instruction at the beginning. Check the instruction at the position. Check the instruction at the end. Set for deletion of a exiting element and the element not in list. This is the skeleton code. Based on this, we are going to code the. We are going to code. This is the code for that question. First, we are creating class node, and then we are defining the result, and then we are just giving self dot data is equal to data. Dot next is equal to none. Self dot preview is equal to none, and then we are just giving class. We are creating class. Instead of that, we are just giving dl list, and then we are defining that, and then self dot it is equal to none. We are just defining insert friend self dot data. New node is equal to node data. We are using if statement if dot add is equal to not none. Self dot add dot preview is equal to new node. New node next dot self dot add. Self dot add is equal to new node. Then we are defining self defining insect end. As per same, we are giving new node is equal to node data. New node next is equal to none. If self dot add is none, self dot add is equal to new node. We are retaining that we are giving t is equal to self dot data while we are giving while using while statement, and then we are giving t dot is not none. T is equal to t dot next. T dot next is equal to new node. Then we are defining insect after, and then as per that we are defining delete front, delete end. We are using if statement, and then instead of that l is equal to self dot that we are giving, and then we are using while statement l and l dot data is equal to x. We are giving we are again using if statement. If it is true, it will print the output, and then we are giving we are defining the delete front self. If self dot add t is equal to self dot add, we are giving a self dot add is equal to t dot next. We are deleting the t. If self dot add self dot is equal to preview is equal to none. We are defining delete end self, and then we are giving t is equal to self dot add while we are using while statement, and then t dot next and t dot next dot next. Then we are closing that, and then we are giving t dot t is equal to t dot next. We are using if statement t dot next is none. Self dot add is equal to none. We are retaining the statement. We are giving delete dot next. L dot next is equal to none, and then we are giving defining delete dot delete. We are defining delete, and then self comma x. We are using if statement, and then we are giving while statement l and l dot data is equal to x. We are giving l dot next. We are using if statement, and then instead of that we are giving l and l dot next and l dot data double is equal to x. We are giving l dot next is equal to 1 dot next dot next. We are giving t is equal to 1, and then we are is equal to l is equal to 1 dot next. We are using else l dot next is equal to none. We are defining display, and then t is equal to self dot add while instead of that we are opening the bracket, and then we are giving t print t dot data next. T dot is equal to t dot next. It's while statement, and then we are just giving print, and then insert front, insert back, insert after, delete front, delete end, delete element, display and exist. We're just getting an input, enter your choice and then if char is equal to 1, it will enter the data. And then if we are giving 2 input, input we are getting enter data, enter the data. And then else if we give a 3, it will ask enter the data and then enter data after. Then else if we give 4, it will delete front. If we go 5, dll dot delete end. If will 6, it will ask enter data before. And then else 7, if we give 7, it will display the data, and 8 means it will exit the data. Then I will going to implement 3 for you. I have given 1, it will enter the data, it will ask enter the data. I will have given 12. And then the second I have given 2, it will answer enter the data. I have given 12. I have given 3 as a choice, and then it asks enter data. I have given 1, and again enter the data after. It has given asking enter the data after. I have given 12. And then for all this you will ask like this. This is the output for this question. Thank you for watching.